In order to survive in a competitive environment, manufacturing company needs to produce quality products with high productivity and low operation cost. Through traditional spreadsheet maintenance monitoring, it is very hard for management to monitor the effectiveness of maintenance job, work order status, spare part cost monitoring and prediction of machine failure. I need a proven solution to help me simplify my maintenance management job. Now, it is very hard to track the status of each job. Customer is not satisfied with our performance. Suitable for various sectors such as manufacturing, hotel, themed park, commercial building, hospital, school and colleges. It definitely going to simplify tedious and time-consuming maintenance operation.